Hello everyone, welcome to Mr. Awesome Club. So today this is the new video in which we will discuss network troubleshooting tips. So in this video I will explain 10 troubleshooting steps, like if you will face any issue in your network, you are working as a network engineer or IT support, so this video will be very much helpful for you. Or if you are going to attend interview, so there also it will helpful because most of the companies ask these questions. So first is no connectivity. If you have this issue like your system is not connecting to the network or internet, so what will your steps? First one is you need to check your LAN. If you are using LAN, so you need to check your cable, or if you are using Wi-Fi, so Wi-Fi you need to check. There you need to check IP address, subnet mask, that setting is correct or not. You need to check your network adapter is enabled in your setting or not. And for that basic command is ipconfig/all, ping, gateway. These things you can use for this no connectivity issue. Then second issue is IP address conflict. If suppose in your network, if IP address is conflicting, that means two devices have the same IP address. So what you need to do, you need to check the IP address of your system and you need to check the duplicate IP address, like suppose in two systems the same IP address is there. So first thing is you need to enable the DHCP properly in your setting, and you can use release or renew IP also. For that the command is ipconfig/release or ipconfig/renew. Then the third is here slow network. If your internet or LAN is very slow, so first thing you need to check your bandwidth uses, like how much bandwidth are you using in your network congestion you need to use, you need to check. And heavy downloads you need to check, like in any system there is a download or something, so that you need to check someone is downloading something or uploading something. And you need to check duplex mismatch also, like you need to check which duplex mode you are using, like you are using half duplex or full duplex in your switch setting, you can check this. So these are the steps. Then the fourth one is here DNS issue. DNS issue means website don't open but ping works. So what you will do, you need to check your DNS server address, which one you are using. If you are using like private IP, private DNS or something, so you can try Google DNS also 8.8.8. then you can check the connectivity. Then you can use the flush DNS cache also. For that command is nslookup, ipconfig, flush DNS. These command you can use. On switch side you can use show VLAN brief, show IP route. Then the next is here the fifth one, router switch configuration. The problem is like suppose your network work partially or you have a VLAN issue. So you need to check VLAN configuration in your switch. You need to check trunk or access port in your switch, which one is trunk, which one is access. Routing setting also you need to check. For the tools are speed test you can do. You can do switch port state, that you can check. For that command is show VLAN brief, show IP route. These are the command which you can use on your switch and router level. Then you can troubleshoot this issue. After it, the next is here Wi-Fi problem. If in your Wi-Fi network you have weak signal or frequent disconnects, so you can check the signal strength first. Then you can check the channel interference in your Wi-Fi router. You can change the Wi-Fi password. You can try the ping, and then you can send some packets, like here I use this -F command to send the packet, and then google.com I try to ping with the Google. You can use tracealert and show IP route commands, then you can trace the route. Next is here firewall or ACL block. Like you have the problem like in your network, your firewall, or if you have created any ACL, so that is blocking some networks or some IP addresses. So for that you can check the show access list, IP table in your firewall you can check, allow or restrict list you can check. Then the next is high latency. High latency means what? Ping response time, that is too much suppose, or packet are losing. So you can check the ping command and you can send some packet, and there you can analyze, okay, it is losing some packet or something. IP link show command you can use there, and then you can troubleshoot it. Next is here net or internet down. So suppose your net misconfig, net means network address translation, that you can check there. You can check ISP status, it is properly working or not. Net translations you can check, like which private IP address you map with which public IP address, that you can check that configuration is correct or not. You can reboot your router or modem which you are using. ipconfig/all, net state -r, these command you can use. These commands will help you to troubleshoot this issue. After it, the last is here we have server side issue. Like suppose you are trying to connect with the server, and server that issue is obtained from the server side. So what you will do, your network is okay but your server is down, so you need to check the service status in that server, that service is properly working or not. CPU RAM uses, that you can check. Net state -tulnp, with this command you can check the open ports or which service are using on which port, that you can check. Tools you can use Javix, Prometheus, Grafana, journalctl. These tools you can use to troubleshoot or to analyze that issue. So these are the 10 issues which you know mostly like occurred in your network, and this is a tips by which you can troubleshoot it. So that's all about this video. If you are new in this channel, so just subscribe it, or if you have any issue or any doubt in this video, so you can ping in command. I will definitely give you a response. Thank you everyone.